Hi, I'm Michelle Tweston O'Toole, and I'm going to be your instructor for Math 40 for the fall of 2021. And this video is to help you figure out how to get logged into class and to attend class, since we're going to be doing a synchronous virtual online class this semester. And let's see. So just to remind you, class starts on Monday the 23rd. This class is from 10 a.m. until 11:55 a.m. And I will send you a Zoom link and show you some other things about how to get into class and all of that in just a moment. So first I'm going to reduce myself here, and then I am currently on the muskegoncc.edu page. So that main page where you log in. Now I've been doing work today, so when I click on my MCC, it's not going to have me put in my login information, but you do need to do that. So your username and password. And then once I get in here, I am going to switch this to the student view so it will look like what you guys see. So moving this over here. All right, so these blue tiles over here are going to be a lot of your important information. And we are concerned right now with the Blackboard tile. So if you click on the Blackboard tile, that will get us to the point, and you'll see, fall 2021 and what courses. You guys are beginning algebra. So I'm going to click on that. And all right, and now we are in student preview mode. So this is what it should look like for you all. So when you get into here, our landing page is going to be the Start Here page initially, and that will have all of our information to get us started off well this school year. Eventually we'll change that to the announcements. And then the live Zoom/collaborate link. That's going to be how you attend class. So first of all, we've got an orientation folder here. So a few things in here, and including this orientation video, how to find the syllabus, the blank guided notes that we do, some orientation for introductions for our discussion board, and a few other things. And then it will go to the Startup ALEX information. And that has the information about how to get logged in to ALEX, which is the mathematical software program that we use as our homework and other things, which I will talk more about on Monday as well. And, feel free to investigate around here. Not all of this is filled in yet, so just be aware of that. All the main things that you guys are going to be needing in the next few days are there. So simple syllabus will take you to the syllabus, my office hour information, instructor info, all that. But let's click on the live Zoom/collaborate link, and that is going to get us to our Zoom meeting. And then you have the option of whether you are logging in with your computer audio, or if you need to do a phone call. Sometimes people will have to be on the phone and need to use their phone for that. So classes will be recorded, so be prepared. And I do want to have cameras on so I can see everyone's faces and see how everyone is understanding everything that we're talking about in class that day. So let me do a couple things here. All right, so that is initially how you're going to get into this. Now I'm going to send you a Zoom link invitation as well. So if you want to put that, it'll have the option of putting that into your calendar. And that means it would just be in the, if you have a digital calendar, it would be available in there for every one of our class sessions. Let's see. Again, the classes are recorded, and that is for your benefit. If you miss something, if you can't make it to class for some reason, or you want to go back and look at something again, you have the option to do that. So let me X out of this stuff and just get back to our main page here. So again, starting off with the Start Here menu. And then the live Zoom/collaborate link. That's going to be where you're going to want to click so that I can see you all on Monday. And I will see you at 10 a.m. And hopefully everybody is enjoying a little bit of last bit of summer here right now. So thank you, and I will see you on Monday.